Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Certain Vlogs. You will know everything about math with me, Certain. For this lesson, we'll have the circle. But before we are going to discuss our lesson for this day, let's have the objectives. The objectives is the student, you, will be able to define circle and identify its parts, and derive inductively the relations among chords, arcs, and central angles. Circle. It is the set of all points that are the same distance or equidistance from a given point in a plane. So if we have the same distance or equidistance from a given point in a plane, we call it the center of the circle. To any point on it, these are equidistance from the center. And the center is the given point which is equidistant in any points on the circle or on the circumference of the circle. Then we have the radius. It is the segment from the center to any point on the circle. Twice the radius, we have diameter. Again, the radius is the segment from the center to any point on the circle. Next is the chord. A chord is a segment whose endpoints both lie on the circle, but not meet the center. Meaning to say, there are two endpoints that do not lie on the center on the circle, which is the chord. Again, the chord is a segment whose endpoints both lie on the circle. Next is a diameter. A diameter is a special chord that passes through the center of the circle. Meaning to say, diameter is also a chord. Diameter is half of the radius because radius is twice the diameter. A special chord that passes through the center of the circle. Meaning to say, diameter touches 2 points that passes through the center of the circle. So we have 2 radii. Then we have the interior of the circle. It is the set of points in the plane of a circle whose distances from the center are less than the length of the radius. Meaning to say, the interior of the circle are the points less than the length of the radius. So, the points do not meet the points on the circle, but they belong inside the circle rather. So these are points inside the circle, but not on the points on the circle. Then we have the exterior of the circle, the set of points in the plane of a circle whose distances from the center are greater than the length of the radius. So from the center, the points extended to the outer of the circumference of the circle. So meaning to say, the exterior is the outer points because it is greater than the length of the radius. Then we have the second. It is the extension of the chord that touches the circle at exactly 2 points. So we have the second, the extension of the chord. For some instances, the diameter is also called the secant because the diameter is a special chord. Then it touches the 2 points on the circle. Then we have tangent, from the Latin word tangere, which means touch. It is a line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point. Tangere, used in Rizal's novel, which is the Noli Me Tangere, which means touch me not. So from the word Noli Me Tangere, touch me not, the tangere means tangent or touch or touch. So here in our tangent of the circle, it is a line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point. The second touches the circle or 2 points, but the tangent exactly touches the circle on 1 point only. The point where the tangent line touches the circle is called the point of tangency. Lastly, we have the arc. The arc is the portion of the circumference of the circle. We have 3 kinds of arc. The semicircle, which is 180-degree arcs. We have the major arcs, an arc that is greater than a semicircle. So from 180 degree greater than a semicircle, mean to say from 181 degrees up to 359 degree arcs. That is the measurement of the major arc. Then we have the minor arc. It is an arc that is less than a semicircle. So from semicircle, 180-degree arc. So minor arc is less than a semicircle. So meaning to say 179 degrees arc up to 1 degree arc. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. See you on my next vlog.